How to fix Shopify error 500. So I'm going to show you two things you can try. And the first thing, actually, we want to go to Google and just search for down detector Shopify. Now, you might be getting this issue because Shopify is down. So just use this website, downdetector.com, status Shopify, and it will show us any reports of Shopify well being down. If you don't see any unusual amount of reports for Shopify being down, for example, around here, as you can see 0, then one more thing you can try doing that comes from your end is clicking on these three dots in the top right corner and then going to settings. Now from the settings page, we want to search for clear, and you should be able to see this: clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache, and more. Just click on it and then do the time range for all time, and we are going to clear our browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images, but make sure that you know your password so they don't get lost. So after that, just check all of these boxes and click on clear data, and this will hopefully fix the error 500 in Shopify. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.